Hey guys, today I'll show you how to add keyframes in Filmora. So let's get started. Keyframes let you create smooth animations, such as zooming, moving, or resizing your clips over time. First, add your clips to the timeline. If you want to animate a clip, place it on the track above your main video and select it. Next, open the Video panel, then go to Basic. You'll see a diamond-shaped keyframe icon. Move the playhead to where you want the animation to begin, then click the diamond icon to add your first keyframe. Now move the playhead to the point where you want the animation to end. Change the scale value to make the clip smaller or larger. Filmora will automatically create another keyframe, and your clip will smoothly animate between the 2 points. If you want the animation to play faster, simply drag the keyframes closer together on the timeline. If you want it to play more slowly, move them farther apart. You can also animate the clip's position. Add another keyframe, move the playhead forward, and drag the clip to a new location in the preview window. Filmora will automatically create a smooth movement from one position to the next. That's how easy it is to use keyframes in Filmora to create professional-looking animations. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.